Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. So in this video I'm doing a pink and white design set. So I've applied tips, all that malarkey. Now I'm applying a thin clear base, and once I've showed you from this angle, I'm also going to show you from a different angle. I will just try something a little bit different, just so you could see the side view of when I apply the clear base, how I hold my brush. I did do the same angle for some clips later on in the video, but they didn't come out. They were a little bit blurry. So I'm just giving it a test out, and just let me know what you think. So here's the other angle, and the film that I used wasn't as good quality as mine, but you can see, excuse me, the idea. Just a slightly different angle, you can see how I lay the bead, how I hold my brush. So I just thought I'd try something different. Everyone keeps asking for a few different angles. I'm just trying to work out the best ways of doing that for you. So on this nail, I'm doing a reverse smile line. So I'm using CJP Slush Fairy, quite a large bead, and just pull the sides of that bead down towards the cuticle, and then blend the back of that bead in with your natural nail so that there's no step. And then create that nice crisp wall using the edge of your brush. And just keep checking from all angles to make sure it's all the same height all the way around. You've got no uneven parts of it. And once I'm happy with that, I'll come in and apply my cuticle bead. I'm tilting my client's finger down, getting my brush right behind that bead so it's nice and flush with the cuticle, but obviously not touching the skin. And then blend that up into your first bead. Just always checking to make sure that wall is nice and neat all the way around. So this nail, I'm doing an ombre, so I'm using white diamonds, again from CJP at the tip. And then blend that back. Just neaten up that tip. I think I worked a little bit too wet with that bead, so I just left it to set a bit before I applied the pink. And this nail is a full nail of white diamonds. Excuse my voice and everything, I've still got a cold. Just really tilt your brush and get the tip of your brush behind that bead in your cuticle area. And then pull the rest of that bead down the nail using the belly of your brush. And you can be quite firm as well. If you use a light touch when you're doing this, you won't pull it where you need it to go. So then apply CJP Slush Fairy in the cuticle area. Push out to one side and blend that up. Out to the other side and blend that up. And there was a little hard ball of acrylic stuck in my powder there. And then cap once I'm happy. And as you can see, my cuticles are super neat and tidy. This is because I used Navy Pro tools. You can see me using their tools in some of my other videos. Check them out, they're amazing. And use my discount code CABIN10. So on this nail, I'm coming in with the Glitter Fairy Silver, I think it's Silver Shine the chunky cut. I do love hair glitters. I'm just using the tip of my brush to push those pieces where I want them. So this nail and the thumbnail are both another ombre. So then come in with my 100 grit file, holding it nice and flat against that wall, and going all the way around it, making sure it's nice and crisp. And then I just file on top of it just to make sure it's all nice and even. So then remove all the dust, and I just like to wet over the tip with monomer just so the acrylic moves nicely when I apply it. So I'm just using white diamonds again, apply that at the tip and then basically just push down both sides, making sure it's up to the same height as you've built your wall. Onto my filing technique, my usual one, going in on your side walls. You file nice and flat and just coming round that free edge. Keeping a nice firm grip on your file so you're not just flicking the file about. So then contour your side wall, round the cuticle area and up the other side wall. And then holding your file nice and flat, come down the barrel of the nail. Always check in as well before you sort of file too much. You don't want to file your apex away. Always look at the nail from the side view just to make sure your apex is in the right place and also that it's in the same place on every nail. But if you follow the same filing technique on every single nail, you'll get a uniform finish across all 10 nails. So then remove all the dust, wipe over with acetone and then apply my CJP Tack Free Top Gloss, curing in my Sun UV LED lamp for 60 seconds. And all the products that I've used in this video will all be linked in the description box below. And here's your finished look. Thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed it.